Now we are ready to insert the holes into the pegboard to place our circle peg and our square peg. To do this, we'll start a 2D sketch. Select the top of our pegboard. I'm going to use the hand to move my pegboard around so it fits into my screen. I will start with the round peg hole. So I'll do that by selecting the circle, drawing a small circle, and telling it that I would like the circle to be 1 inch in diameter, and then hit enter. Now we need to center this circle vertically on our pegboard. To do that, we're going to use the dimension tool by clicking on the center point of our circle, then the top of our rectangle, dragging that dimension out to the left. This dimension will be 1.5 inches, and then we'll need to move it over. So again, we'll click on the center of our circle, and then the left side of our rectangle, and we're going to place that dimension above of the rectangle. This dimension needs to be 1.438 inches, and hit the check mark. Now we're ready to make the square hole. So you'll select rectangle, draw a rectangle that is 1 inch by 1 inch. If you cannot draw it 1 inch by 1 inch, you can use the dimension tool like we have in the past. Now I'm going to dimension this square so that it fits appropriately on our pegboard. So I'll select the dimension tool again, select the top of my small square, then the top of the rectangle. This dimension should be 1 inch, and I got lucky and it's there. The check mark. Now we need to make sure it's far enough from the right side. So again, with the dimension tool, we'll click on the right side of the square, the right side of our rectangle, and we'll put the dimension above the rectangle. This dimension needs to be 0.938 inches, and hit the check mark. Now we're going to finish the sketch and create holes similar to the way we've extruded, but it will be slightly different. You'll click on extrude, select the circle and the square. The distance you will change to 0.75, and instead of doing direction 1, you'll change it to direction 2. Direction 2 will put the extrusion back through the object. And then click OK. Now you can see as I rotate it, we've got 2 holes that go all the way through our pegboard. Now you need to save your pegboard.